them try to attack me. Why them not put a real somebody for them put it on and watch a people? Let me see. I see people a one video alone people. One video alone upon that channel here. For sure say that channel here people is an attack channel. That's why them name Original Sound. Them name Original Sound people. Original Sound them name people. One video alone them for them channel. Them can't check with. So why them want to get me up for the case people? Cause them know something that take disrespect, you know. I may you know something I forgot make people people see that? One single video upon the channel people. One single video, so like you can't go and go say you go run with nobody. And see that people
need to go back to the planet where him come from and left ya so.
One video.
And the earth him come from. We are praised by some miracle. Jaden Smith will come home alive. And this man all over the internet with him nonsense. Me I look for update and see this man as summon ancestors.
Them may look for update and see me as summon ancestors. At least I'm glad to say them. At least we're glad to see me as summon ancestors. No. Everybody on the planet that knows that when me summon ancestors on a normal thing. People, let me tell you something. Ask any old people. Them say if you want hear a man talk the truth, give him rum for drink, drunk him. Them say if you want hear somebody talk the truth, give them rum. Rum is a thing when they drink rum, people, you can't tell no lie. So yes, when you see me drink rum with the ancestors and people, I know me talk again. All truth, nothing but the truth. Ask anybody. Jaden Smith is not here with us, people. The smoke turned black if he was alive. The smoke turned white if he is not here. Remember the people ask anybody want to know. Let me see if I find one of the science.
And Jaden.
Alright, people them love me. I have 3 relationships and I try to get.
Lawless at Jaden Smith is home.
Jaden Smith is confirmed dead. So Jaden Smith, how they do my son? Yeah, the things that move up in the people. I see nobody not in there. So who fear move the thing? Alright people, that again. Only go watch what the video people are here when the buckle them in there broke. No. One big empty ancestral tomb without some dope in there, some bone in the people. So who in there rock up